Trust me, this is a statement Bubu gown and it is very easy to make. I made this under 7 minutes, both the sewing and the cutting. Let's go straight into this tutorial. But before we proceed, please, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do so. Like this video and give it a thumbs up if it is helpful, and also don't forget to drop what you think about this tutorial in the comment section. Now, to make this dress, you only need 2 measurements: your length measurement plus 1 inch, and also the sleeve length. The sleeve is 3/4 plus ½ inch, so we are going to use the whole thing. And for the neck, the depth will be 5 inch and the width will be 6 inches. Now for the sleeve, you are going to make a curve here, and we are going to curve it on the down side. That's all. So we are going to cut it out. We are done with the dress, only to tape it with bias. And in the bias we have 6 yards. So we are going to measure what we have here. So this is from here to here, we have 4 yards. It is in 4-fold. So from here to here, 4 yards. From here to here, 8 yards. Then plus 4 times 4, 16 inches. So the roundness is 8 yards, 16 inches, which means we are going to make use of 2 bias. Already we are done with the dress. Here is the last detail. We are going to hold this, the shoulder this way. So you are going to join it to this stage. You are going to join the other side. Also, you are going to place your pocket on it this way, and you are going to tack it down. And lastly, you are going to leave like 10 inches here from the shoulder. You are going to leave 10 inches. Then you are going to stitch it down. It's a very free gown and yet sexy gown. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave your comments about this dress. It took me 7 minutes to complete, both the sewing and the cutting. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.